Hi everyone, I'm Nathan. Today I'm bringing you a new troubleshooting video. What I want to talk about today is some issues I encountered yesterday while serving a customer. During a rental event, using a synchronous processor, a large black area appeared on the screen. This phenomenon is mostly because a layer was enabled in the processor, but that layer had no signal input. Now, we can directly check the layer function in the VX processor to troubleshoot this issue. First, let's look at the VX processor interface. Here's layer 1, layer 2, and this layer 2 has no signal. This is what causes the large black area on the screen. Now we need to enter layer settings to check this layer. This is the setting for layer 1, and the status here is on. Now let's look at layer 2. It's also turned on. Sometimes an accidental touch might cause the layer to turn on. So now we'll turn this layer off as well. Okay, now we can see that our screen is back to normal. That's all for today about the service process for a customer yesterday. I hope this helps you all. If you encounter this kind of situation, you can check the layer settings. All right, thank you everyone. For future questions, contact us anytime.